the homecoming concert for Georgia State. We both go to Georgia State, and yeah, we at Applebees pregame. We doing they dollar margaritas, and we're gonna keep y'all tuned when we come back to our seat. Okay, y'all, we finna play marshmallow. So we go like marshmallow, check it out, and then woo.
Alright, you gonna start it?
Yeah.
Think they can hear us?
Yeah, you gotta be a little loud, but it's fine.
Okay.
One marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo. 3 marshmallow.
Did I mess up?
No, you did good.
Oh.
Good?
Hey, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
There we go again.
Wait, you started?
Yeah, man.
You started.
Okay, one marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
Woo.
3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
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 What we on? 3, 4?
We're on 4.
4 marshmallows. Check it out.
No, you don't say check it out. Once you say marshmallow,
Yeah.
I gotta say check it out.
Right, okay.
Alright, here we go. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
3 marshmallows. Oh, okay.
No, we messed up.
1.
Alright, let's try to make a TikTok out of it.
I seen it too. I was like, 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
No. It's 2. No, you're supposed to say another check it out.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
Woo.
3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
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 4.
Yeah.
4 marshmallows.
Check it out. It's always
When I get to 3, I just start making it.
Alright.
1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
2 marshmallows.
No, you gotta say it. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out. Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out. 2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo. 3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo. Woo. No, it was so good. You look.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, is my go?
No, you were right. After the first move.
Okay. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo. I already said woo. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo. No.
Okay. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out. 2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out. Woo.
3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out. 4 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out. Woo. Woo.
5 marshmallows.
Check it out.
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 Check it out. How you supposed to? I don't know. Okay, let's check. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out. 2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out. Woo.
3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Oh, check it
No.
out.
Alright, ready? 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo. 3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
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 No, it was 4 woo.
No, I didn't say it.
You gonna say,
I said the first time you said it, I said it, and then you say check it out.
I'm just counting.
Nah, it's like you counting like.
Alright. You wanna start?
1 marshmallow.
Check it out. 2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out. marshmallows.
Check it out.
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 No, you're supposed to say you.
No.
It was 4.
No, that wasn't. Girl, I swear.
Alright, they're not tripping. Alright, let's get it.
How about this? We don't. Oh, wait. No, it's still
I'm gonna do our fingers. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Woo.
2 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
Woo.
3 marshmallows.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo.
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 4 marshmallows.
Check it out.
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 No, that was 5. 5
No, that was 4.
No.
Alright,
Okay. So I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. When we get better, we can go faster. It sounds like a song. It's like, check it out.
yeah.
Alright. What marshmallow?
Check it out.
Yo, they just give me my dollar margarita.
I'm a little scared.
Did you give me a shot? I think it's
No, like 5.
No.
Wait.
Maybe on the 3rd one we'll call it. Girl, it tastes a little salty. Is yours salty? Oh, that's scary. I think they had something to come from liquor. Because the liquor not strong. What if that's not slop? What if that's like liquor? What type of
Hey y'all, we in the car after Applebees. Oh girl, I don't know. It is on your way. Okay. So what would you give the drinks a 1 to 10?
I give them a 6.
A 6.
A good 6.
I give them a 7 just because I don't know. I was feeling them like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, we had 3 each, so we're still good. Definitely good. Definitely able to walk a straight line. Definitely good. But I wish I felt how I felt like literally 10 minutes ago. So that lets y'all know, you know, what to expect. But next is just gonna be a whole bunch of clips of us at the concert having fun, and hopefully they got drinks too. I will let y'all know. Okay, y'all. So we just left 7th Streeter. We got some concessions real quick. I got the margaritas. She got the cup water.